Hello friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the last class, we have discussed various manipulating elements of list such as insert, append. Now in today's class, we will discuss the difference between append and insert. Append. What do you mean by append function? In list, when we add any element, it will come in last, that is, it will be last element. Insert. In list, we can insert any element in particular index number by using insert function. Now, this is the difference between append and insert. And now we are moving to our next function, extend. Extend function. What is extend function? To add all items of one list to another list. That means to add the element that is present in the first list, we are going to add in the another list, means in the second list. Okay, how it will be possible? Then I have written the code. Suppose list L1 dot extend L2. Here all items present in L2 will be added to L1. Okay, see the example is order number 1. Order 1 is equal to, one is chicken and the second element is mutton, fish. The list element, this is a list. First is chicken, second is mutton, and third is fish. Okay, order 2 RC KF FO. Order 1 dot extend order 2, print order 1, and after the printing the output will be chicken, mutton, fish, RC KF FO. Okay, that means the order in order 1, the elements present in the list order 1, chicken, mutton, fish, are added to order 2 list. Okay, very good. Take another example. Order chicken, mutton, fish. Okay, order dot extend mushroom, print order. That means we are going to add mushroom, so it will be chicken, mutton, fish, and the mushroom will be added MUS. All the letters will be added separately. All the letters will be added separately. Say, all the letters will be added separately. Okay. Now, our next function is remove function. Our next function is remove function. We can use a function to remove specified item from the list. If the item present multiple times, then only the first occurrence will be removed. N is equal to 10 in the list. N is equal to 10, 20, 10, 30. Okay, n dot remove 10, print n. That means the first 10 will be removed. The first 10 means in the 0 position the 10 will be removed, and the list will be 20, 10, 30. If the specified item not present in the list, then we will get value error. Suppose the 10 is not present in the list. It is 20, 30, 40 in the list, and we say we want to remove 10 which is not present in the list. Then it will return value error. Okay, it will return value error. Suppose the example, n is equal to the list. N has 10, 20, 10 and 30. These are the values. N dot remove 40. See, in this list, in the list n, you will never find out the value 40. Then you print n. Suppose we print n, value error. List remove x, x is not in list. That means the value we want to remove, that is not in the list. Note, Hence, before using remove method, first we have to check specified elements present in the list or not by using in operator. Okay, this is the note. Please, our next function will be pop function. It removes and returns the last element of the list in list, and this is the only function which manipulates list. This is the only function which manipulates list. So, and manipulates list and returns some same element. Returns some element. N is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. The n list contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Print n dot pop. Print n dot pop function. Print n. Therefore, 40 and 30 will be printed. 10 and 20 will not be printed. Okay. If the list is empty, then pop function raises index error. Okay. This is that n, the empty list, print n dot pop, index error, pop from the empty list. So friend, we have discussed pop function, we have discussed append function, and we have already discussed insert function, extend function. In this video we have discussed extend pop function, okay, along with remove function. So for today, this is my this is the video, and please friends, subscribe my channel and share my channel, and please visit again my channel to see this video. If you want to see various C Java videos, you can get the link from the I button. Okay, and thank you very much.